What's going on? In this video, we're going to discuss when it would be appropriate or when you would need to create a custom tool or app for your business. So there's many types of tools that people use for their business. It can be a CRM that you use to manage or keep track of your customers. It could be a project management tool that you use to manage your projects. It could be some type of inventory management tool if you sell physical products, keeping track of the inventory. It could even be some type of timeline tool where you're working on a schedule and you have to manage the schedule as things go along. There's plenty of tools out there for specific tasks, but many times you might realize that if we give an example, let's say you are an accountant, you own an accounting firm, and you've been using a specific tool, maybe it's Asana, maybe it's Monday.com, maybe it's, I don't know if QuickBooks does this, but you've been using a tool to manage each of your clients, each of their payments that they pay. So each client has different payments that they pay. You've been using one of these tools to manage this, but you realize that there's specific items that you want to put down that these tools don't let you put down easily, or there's something that you're trying to do that you realize it's not letting you do. Maybe each customer every other month has a specific payment that they have to pay, but these tools don't let you put it in as every other month. So then you might have to create a new section and then do it for an alternate month or whatever the case may be, and it might get confusing. This is just an example, but something that you were trying to do on this tool and doesn't let you do. That might be the time to consider creating a custom tool if you think that it could help you improve the process of your business. If it's something that's like a minor inconvenience, you might not need a custom tool. You might just be able to find a workaround on one of the current tools that you use. But if you realize that this tool is taking a lot of your time and it's not letting you use your process quickly, or you find maybe it's not mobile friendly, you do a lot of work on the go, but you realize that this tool is really only good for the computer. You only need the computer a couple hours. You want something that you can do on the go, but it doesn't work that way. That might be time to consider building a custom tool. Another way that you might need a custom tool is if you have something in your business that you've been using a tool for a while, but you realize that that tool is it's no longer meeting your needs, or maybe even that tool is it's not even being maintained anymore. The company has gone out of business, whatever the case may be. That might be also a time to look at creating something custom for your business. And when it comes to a custom app, it doesn't have to be anything complicated. If we go back to the tool that we mentioned about the accounting firm, it could be something very simple. You have each of your clients or each of your customers. Each customer has a specific schedule that they have to pay on time, or each customer might have different things that they have to pay for, different schedule, their payments. You manage their income in a certain way. And it doesn't have to be too complicated, but something that could be custom to your needs. And the whole point of a custom tool is it's custom to you to help you run your business more smoothly. So these are just some things to keep in mind when you're considering, do I need a custom tool? Can I just use what's already out there? Is if you think it can make the whole process of your business smoothly, allowing you to focus on your business. You don't want to be focusing so much on the tool and struggling if you know you can have something custom to make your process simpler. But you might not need something custom if what you're already using works. So these are just some things to keep in mind when you're considering whether or not you need a custom tool. Now, if you have been thinking about this for a while and you just want to explore the idea of creating a custom tool, if I can share my screen here, if you're just exploring the idea, feel free, all the links are in the description below. You can either book a call with me or send me an email, and we can just chat what your idea is, how you think it can help you, why you even have this idea, what you've already tried in the past, and we can see if creating a custom tool is the right thing for you. Again, the whole goal is to make your business process as easy as possible. So if you're considering building a custom software, custom tool, custom app for your business, please feel free to reach out. All the links will be in the description below and we can discuss this. But this video, I wanted to share to, if you're considering building a custom tool or you've thought of the idea, some of the things you might want to keep in mind. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.